An example of how Axure and AxureBoutique templates can help you in prototyping. Imagine you are designing a web application for an e-commerce platform. With Axure, you can begin by creating wireframes of the different pages, such as the homepage, product listing page, and product details page. You can define the layout, navigation menus, and placeholders for images and text. Once the basic structure is established, Axure allows you to add interactive elements and functionality. For instance, you can simulate the process of filtering products based on categories, sorting them by price or popularity, and adding items to the shopping cart. Axure's dynamic panels and variables enable you to create interactive behaviors that closely mimic the actual user experience. Furthermore, Axure enables you to demonstrate complex interactions and workflows. Let's say you want to showcase the checkout process. With Axure, you can create multiple steps, including entering shipping details, selecting a payment method, and reviewing the order summary. By incorporating interactions like form validation and conditional logic, you can provide a realistic and interactive representation of the checkout process. Axure also allows you to test and gather feedback on your prototype. You can create interactive user flows and scenarios, inviting participants to interact with the prototype and observe their behavior. Axure's built-in usability testing features, such as recording user sessions and collecting feedback, help you gain insights into usability issues and make informed design decisions. Moreover, Axure supports responsive design and adaptive views, enabling you to design and test your prototype across different screen sizes and devices. This flexibility ensures that your design works seamlessly on desktop, tablet, and mobile platforms. Finally, Axure enables you to generate specification documents and assets for developers. You can export style guides, design specifications, and annotated wireframes to assist in the implementation phase. Axure's integration with other design tools and collaboration platforms allows for seamless communication and handoff between designers and developers. In summary, Axure empowers designers to create interactive and realistic prototypes for web applications. Its comprehensive set of features, from wireframing to interactive behaviors, usability testing, and collaboration capabilities, make it a valuable tool in the design process. By using Axure, you can iterate and refine your designs based on user feedback, leading to more user-centered and successful products. And the prototype template demonstrated above can be found in the https://axureboutique.com. By using templates, you can greatly improve your work efficiency and save your time and effort.